XRP to 1000, the greatest wealth opportunity. XRP price predictions 2021. XRP news today. About the SEC versus Ripple case that has been lingering around for a while now. And since this lawsuit is an absolute joke, Ripple seems close to its final win, while the situation looks dreadful for the SEC. Now the question is, will this court case permanently damage the SEC's reputation? How big of a win is it for the XRP army? Which then leads to the question about the role of the army in this war. So what was the XRP army's part in this win? Hey guys, glad to have you back. For today's video, we have a lot of juicy news for you. We are going to talk about the greatest wealth opportunity coming for XRP. So what's really going on in the crypto market? What is going to be the impact of this on the price of XRP? Moreover, we will talk about the latest XRP price predictions. We also have XRP price analysis and more information surrounding Ripple at the end. So, if you're someone who likes to stay updated about the current cryptocurrency matters, you're in the right place. Make sure to watch the video until the end. Before diving into the video, if you love money and crypto, like the video and subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. So, without further ado, let's get into the video, shall we?
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro? How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video, and leave a like on this video, and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
The newest news of proof demonstrates that the European Commission is losing its case against Ripple as the lawsuit proceeds. This, of course, will have disastrous implications for the whole SEC. The US SEC launched a bombshell lawsuit against Ripple Labs back in December of 2020. However, it did not anticipate the backlash that would follow. During the pre-trial phase, Ripple's legal team placed the SEC itself on trial for citing years of inconsistent and unclear instructions on cryptocurrency regulations. The tsunami of legal, political, and social media activity from retail cryptocurrency investors incensed by the betrayal from the organization purporting to be protecting their interests was completely unexpected and unprepared for. The collapse of the SEC's credibility in the eyes of this $2 trillion worldwide investment community reveals a costly mistake on the part of the SEC. Indeed, the size, scope, and diversity of the crypto investment class, as well as the business they support, has caught official Washington off guard. For years, the cryptocurrency community has been ridiculed by the mainstream media and the United States government. However, the crypto community itself has developed a media ecosystem that links millions of investors, consumers, developers, and entrepreneurs across the world. It's only natural that the ancestors of the blockchain economy would use consensus protocols to communicate with one another. This decentralized social media machinery proved quite effective. When the Ripple case was filed, the environment sparked a new independent battlefront that the SEC had not previously expected. Instead of being pro-Ripple, the revolt against the SEC is a pushback against the regulation through enforcement and purposeful market uncertainty, which has frustrated the investors and drove innovators offshore. The SEC lawsuit's most important arguments clearly illustrate why the case was a final straw for the crypto enthusiasts everywhere. Ripple's distribution of the crypto XRP has been described as one long unregistered securities trade since 2013, according to the SEC. Additionally, the digital asset itself, which is a token that operates in a fully decentralized ledger, is described as a security with no other utility than serving as an investment contract in a single company. The government also claims that every market participant on the planet should have been aware that XRP is a security for the last 8 years, even though the fact that the agency itself admits that it was unclear about the classification of cryptocurrencies until the day it filed the lawsuit. So, what do you think about the SEC losing its reputation forever over this absurd Ripple lawsuit? Tell us in the comments section. Moving on, angry investors and developers from across the spectrum of tokens and projects are outraged by these assertions. And all they can imagine is what may happen to them if they were subjected to such bizarre requirements of fair notice and due process. They believe that anyone at all could be the next target without notice. Many of the people also referring to the lecture by William Hinman, the former director of the corporate finance at the Securities and Exchange Commission from back in 2018, in which he explained why Ethereum currency Ether is not a security and used a criterion that might even be applicable more effectively to XRP. The point to be noted here is that Ethereum conducted an unregistered initial coin offering, ICO, in 2014 with no negative consequences, but Ripple Labs did not do an ICO, but it was still sued. The fact that Ripple brought this to the court, but the SEC responded in an appallingly dishonest way by saying that Hinman's statement was only his personal view and did not represent any official thinking by the organization. As you guys know by now, clearly the Securities and Exchange Commission's case against Ripple Labs is nearing to a close, as it should be at this point. The most recent step in the proceedings has resulted in the removal of approximately 13 papers from public view. The Securities and Exchange Commission has filed a move to keep the papers requested by Ripple Labs from being made public. The XRP Army, which is a group of XRP proponents and supporters, has recently discovered one of the 13 entries in the case that counts as an internal SEC document in the case. Moving on, due to a current investigation into Coinbase, which you guys know is the world's second largest cryptocurrency exchange, and XRP, which is the world's sixth largest cryptocurrency, the XRP Army is seen questioning as to why the SEC is selecting winners and losers in the cryptocurrency sector. We are sure a lot of you also have the same question. The argument may be traced back to Hinman's 2018 speech as well as the SEC's actions against Ripple Labs, which have been going on since December of 2019. During a segment on Fox Business Network on September 12th, Charles Gasparino discussed the SEC's reaction to the question of choosing winners and losers. John D., the founder of CryptoLaw.us, a lawyer and a supporter of XRP crypto, believes that Ripple would prevail based on its defense. Since XRP's largest public shareholder is under investigation by the Securities and Exchange Commission, institutional investors have ceased from making significant bets on the cryptocurrency since December of 2020. However, it's worth noting that a number of active wallet addresses have risen by more than 200% in the last 3 months, which we believe is a significant increase. Retail traders are embracing XRP despite the fact that it has been delisted from various trades and exchanges, which is considered positive for the long-term performance of the XRP price. A long-term chart provided by famous trader and analyst Peter Brandt seems to have the potential to be encouraging. Brandt, who is a seasoned trader, believes that the altcoin's price chart resembles a head and shoulders pattern. This proves that the entire SEC investigation and the lawsuit doesn't necessarily have a negative impact on Ripple or its native token XRP that much, and as a result, greatly lowers the SEC's position in the world of finance, therefore increasing the prospects for all cryptocurrencies. Now, let's talk about the XRP Army, which includes you and us, has marched into war, headed by hundreds of influencers who hold Ripple along with other cryptocurrencies and have no special commitment to Ripple, and who combined over 1 million followers on social media platforms such as YouTube and Twitter. Immediately upon the receipt of each new file on the docket, they publish and comment on it, while also keeping track of the activities and commitments of the United States Congress, the Biden administration, and discussing what it all means. The XRP Army is dispersed throughout the United States, Europe, Asia, and Australia, where they are providing their service by supplying and consuming new information on a 24-hour news cycle. A few are similar to wire services, providing legal and market information in great detail, while others infuse vibrant commentary, provide legal analysis of the case, examine new XRP ledger initiatives, or offer one-on-one interviews with significant players in the sector and the United States government. At the end, as promised by the XRP price prediction and analysis according to FX Street experts, the cryptocurrency must hold support around $1.06 in order to avoid a 30% fall that is expected from XRP to strike at $1.27 before surging even more in the future. Based on our forecasts, a long-term increase is expected, and with a 5-year investment, the revenue is expected to be around plus 259.52%. That said, that's it for today's video. If you want to continue to know more about XRP, we have more videos waiting for you on our channel to check out. The data and analysis given in this video does not comprise investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for instructive purposes only and should not be considered as monetary guidance. Please do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. We hope that our video was helpful for you regarding cryptocurrency concerns and questions. Tell us in the comments section what you think about XRP soaring in price in the near future. Also, tell us what you want to see next. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next video.